Good morning. My name is E, the Fix-It Man right now. I have the Samsung refrigerator and there's a problem. Yes, the ice maker. I know you have this problem. That's why you're on this video. Okay, let's get down to business. I've watched several different videos about this Samsung refrigerator with the French doors. I'm gonna flip around here. And it's the ice maker. It's the Samsung refrigerator with the freezer on the bottom, French doors. Anyway, my problem. The problem is not the food. The freezer. It's not making ice. And it's stuck. That means that the ice is in there and it won't let it out. Well, what I did, so I opened the freezer and let's see here. There it is. See there? Now you turn on your hair dryer and blow it right in that little hole there. Yeah, see the water coming out already. Yeah, you see the water. Yeah. I think it's melting pretty good. My wife would kill me if I don't get a towel and get this water up out of there though. So, I'm going to cut the video for now. And I'm going to continue with this part and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. After about 10-15 minutes. I'll say it's about 15 minutes. Ah, magic. And that's how I fix my Samsung freezer. To get it out, and you just take this whole thing out here. Kind of warm. Nice and cleaned out. I took the hair dryer and blowed it in on some of those components too, just to get the excess ice off. Worked pretty good. I did look at buying the kit to replace everything that Samsung has. Oops, my hair dryer. It costs about 250 bucks. So that's 250 I saved. That's the hole you want to blow your hot air in right there. Blow your hot air in the hole. But it works. Hope you enjoyed this video. Hit the subscribe. Ring the bell. Anyway, that's E for you, baby. Or should we do it this way? That's E for you, baby. I fixed it. I'm not the fix-it man, but I do what I can to save on some cash. Peace out. Deuces.